In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to disable pingbacks and trackbacks in WordPress. Pingbacks and trackbacks are ways in which your blog notifies you whenever you're linked to. But most of the time, they're misused by spammers, and you just keep getting a ton of junk or spam emails, which turns you and your site messy with a ton of annoying spam comments awaiting approval and emails. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable pingbacks and trackbacks in new and existing blog posts on your WordPress website. In your dashboard, go to Settings, then click on Discussion. Under the default post settings, disable the Allow link notifications from other blocks on new posts. And this will disable pingbacks and trackbacks on your new posts. Then scroll down and click on Save. Okay, now to disable pingbacks on your current posts, go to Posts, then click on All Posts. Click here to select all the posts, then go to Bulk Action and click on Edit. Then click on Apply. And now here on the Pings dropdown, select Do Not Allow and click on Update. That's it. This is how you can disable pingbacks and trackbacks in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap that bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.